Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm Andrea. If you are new to my channel, yeah, hi. Well, by the title, I'm guessing y'all already know what this video is gonna be about, but yeah, I'm just gonna be showing you guys how to apply on lashes. And yeah, let's just get right into this video. Alright, I know I look weird without any lashes or mascara. Like, my eyes look so small and I can't get over that. Alright, so I have two pairs, well, two packs, and these are with like a thick band and these are without a band. Like a thick band is like a clear band, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how to apply the one with the clear band because it's more work than a thicker band. Alright, for me, the thicker band, it's way easier to apply on your eyelid. For me, like, that's my opinion, because like it's shaped already for you, and like, I don't know, it's just it's like so thick. You just apply it on your eye and it's just gonna sit there because it has something to sit on. Like the band, like, it's gonna place correctly. Now for the thin band, like these are hard. Like they're so thin, like they're so like wobbly. Like, if do y'all know what I mean? Like, it's like, oh, it's like this little paper, flimsy as fuck. That's how these are. They're like flimsy as fuck, so that's why they're like way harder to work with. And that's what I'm gonna be teaching y'all with these today. Alright, so I'm just gonna open the package and take one out, or a pair, or yeah, I'm just gonna open the package and take one out. So this is what the lashes look like. Let me cover up my eyes. They're so freaking natural to me compared to these right here. Right here. These are so beautiful on my eye. Like, I fucking love them. It just sucks. I got them on eBay for like $3, I think. Basically $1 each lash, plus tax and shipping. So I can't really remember how much it was, but it was worth it. Like, I've never found any lash that fits my eye perfectly, and whoa, like that one was so fucking perfect. But the thing on eBay is them sellers, oh, it pisses me off because the sellers, like, I guess they run out quick and like they become unavailable to you, so they fucking like disappear. Like, I ain't tripping, they gave me what I wanted, but I'm mad they still not there. So I have to go and look for like similar lashes to that. Oh, me pica. Oh, I fucking hate it when I'm itchy and I have makeup on. Okay, yeah. Why the fuck am I so itchy? Alright, so this is what the lash looks like without having anything done to it. That's how it looks like. So first, before you apply your lashes, you want to make sure you measure them. Let me just look at my mirror right here. Alright, so what you want to do is just look straight forward to any mirror, and then you can tell what fits in your eye and what doesn't. What you see that's like hanging off your eye, that's what you cut off. Even though, you know, you don't want to cut your lashes because they look so cute, y no sé qué tanto, girl, you gotta cut them. You gotta cut them because that's how they be coming off. So this is how I would like put them on. Obviously you can see through it and everything, but like basically this little part right here, the little end part, how can I show you guys? But the end, the little last lash over there, I'm gonna cut that. Alright, so I'm just gonna take my scissors and I'm gonna be cutting right here at the end. do not cut the front. You always cut the end because the front ya viene shaped. Like it's small as fuck in the front and the end is always gonna be way bigger than the front. So you don't want to start off your lashes like huge as fuck. It's just, it won't look right. It won't look right. So yeah, you want to make sure you always cut the end. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. And I like to flip mine over just so I can make sure I don't cut none of the other little hairs that I needed to cut, because it's way easier for me to cut it off like that. And yeah, as you see right here, I cut it off. Okay, so now I'm just gonna put it back on my eye, see how it'll look. Oh yeah, it look good. Alright, so this is what I mean that they're so flimsy. You can't even measure them correctly. But that's how it's looking. This is how it would look on my eye. It looks so pretty. But yeah, these, they don't have a little extra in the front, surprisingly. I thought they did, but they don't. I'm gonna show you guys what I mean, the little extra in the front. Alright, so these, I don't know if y'all can tell right there, there's like a little extra of the lash, like not the hairs, the band. Extra of the band right there, you cut that off, because if you wonder why in the hell your eyelashes poke your eyeball, that's the reason why. Because that, you're supposed to cut that off to make it even on your eye, so it can sit well on your eye. Oh my god, I never even mentioned what type of lashes I never even mentioned what type of lashes these are. These are the Salon Perfect lashes. They are 625. Alright, so now what I like to do, I like to take my eyeliner, black eyeliner, and I like to fill in. Okay, so this is what it looks like first, before I apply the eyeliner on it. And then I just like to go on the top of the band, I like to fill it in with eyeliner. Because I don't like how it's clear and then you won't be able to see that on your eye. It's not fully clear because you can still see it. I don't know why they call it clear. Alright, so now that I applied the eyeliner, this is how they look now. I don't know if y'all can tell the difference. I mean, I can obviously, but yeah. Now I made the whole entire lash band black, so therefore it's gonna look natural. Alright, so now what I like to do, I like to curl my lashes right before I apply them. I mean, sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. It just depends how I want to do it. But before I apply the lashes, I always make sure to go in with the black liner and tight line my lashes. Alright, so now I'm just going to be taking my duo glue that I don't know where the fuck oh, acá está. But yeah, I like to take my duo glue, this one with the little thingamabob, I don't know, the wand. And yeah, I like to take that and apply it on my thing, on my lashes. It just makes everything super duper easy. Sorry y'all saw that. It's like, ugh. I can never keep my glues really clean because I don't know, it's just a struggle with them. Like, it really is. Alright, so now that I apply the glue, I just let it sit here for like 30 seconds, not that long. So you know, I just wait for that to get tacky so I can apply it just boop on my eye. And yeah, so I'll be right back. Just wait till it gets tacky. Also, I forgot to mention, do y'all like my new like setup type of shit? Like, I hated how y'all would see every single little part of my room, and now y'all just see the wall. Y'all don't see shit. But it's just because I hated that. Like, I would try to fix it up, but it just looks like a mess in camera, and it's normally how it is. Like, it's arreglado, but I don't know. I just didn't like how y'all would see all my room, and it just sucked. Mostly because I have a kid, so it's not every time it's not gonna be clean. Like, kids are a handful, so you better know what you about to deal with before you have one. But yeah, all right, so now it's tacky, and I just like to look like a C, like just look down to where my lashes, I put them shoot, I see up. So yeah, I'm just looking down and I put it right there in front first. I have it in front, and then I do right here the end. I apply the end right there, and I have this like little nail thing. This is for nails, like to pick up like rhinestones and stuff. And yeah, I use this to help me and make it as close as possible. Yeah, and then I like to push it up to make sure it's secured but nice and up, if y'all get what I'm saying. All right, so that's how it looks like, you know. Now it's all nice and up. Alright, so now I just want to make sure, you know, I pinch it with my fingers to make sure it's nice and secure. And then I just keep on pressing it up like how I'd like it to be. And yeah. Let me just give you guys a close-up in like how it looks. But yeah, I make sure it's like basically my skin is kind of overlaying on top of the eyelash. Like, these are so thin that I make sure like I pinch my skin on top of it just to make it look like they're your real eyelashes. Like, yeah, like how beautiful. Me estoy viendo and I'm like, oh, now I look normal basically. Alright, so now I like to go in with any mascara. Like, I've been showing this mascara in every video, and that's because I just have it here. It's sitting here. I have hella fucking mascaras, and this is the only one I got sitting down. I mean, this is the only one I have on my table like every fucking day. But yeah, now I just go in with mascara and applying it to my real lashes, the mascara, so I can make my fake lashes blend in even more. And I'm gonna apply some on my bottom lashes as well. If y'all can hear like something like, that's my baby. Está tomando leche. He's drinking milk, so yeah. Alright, so this is how this eye is looking like. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Alright, so after I apply, I normally wait like a little bit. I'm just cleaning it off with like making sure it doesn't have a glue. But I wait a little bit to where my mascara is kind of like mostly dried off. And that's because, I want to make sure it like really sticks nicely to it. Like, I don't want it to be too wet to where I accidentally touch this. Like, I don't know if y'all can tell, my thing is all like full of mascara, like black mascara. And that's because, the mascara gets on here and then it sometimes transfers on my real skin. Like, cause my thing está sucio. But yeah, that's the only reason why I wait. I really don't wait. And I just go for it. That's why my thing is so dirty. With like mascara residue and stuff. But yeah, these are like basically for these type of lashes, you just apply them on top and boom, like it's so freaking easy. And I just find these to be so freaking harder just because you gotta make sure they really blend in, like not look like they're fake, because these look way more fake to me because of the band. Just plain and simple. And then this one, like the other ones, you do normal eyeliner on top and then it looks nice. I just like my eyes with lashes. Like, look at this eye compared to this eye. Like, it just makes a difference. And these are the natural ones. Alright, so I'm just gonna apply my other lash so y'all can see how it looks with both of them, and I'll be right back. Alright, so these are both of the lashes applied on. And yeah, I forgot that I go back and I curl them just a little bit. You see? Just to make them more like nice and pretty. But I just do that very little. Alright, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me put on the lashes. I hope you guys actually learned something, or like some tricks or anything, and how to apply on lashes. If you want me to make more videos like this, like maybe how to apply on eyeliner or anything like that, just comment on the comment section thing below. And yeah, alright, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.